I'm not in a great mood right now, but the splitter just broke. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And yes, this is not supposed to be a really great video, or happy video I should say, because the splitter broke. I had it on for less than 24 hours, and I got on the highway. Within 10 seconds of getting on the highway, it fell off. It just unbolted itself from the middle, started slapping the bottom of the car, bottom of the front bumper, and pretty much just destroyed itself in the process. So, I'm sitting here, you might be wondering, I'm sitting here next to the trash, because this is where it belongs. This is where I've put it. Here it is in its recycle bin. I've cracked it in two, because it wouldn't fit otherwise. So that's in there where it belongs, because I spent $67 on nothing, basically. $67 down the drain, and it just, I mean, I don't know, I should have maybe bought a better quality one, but yes, my friends actually did warn me. They told me that it would fly off, and I was like, nah, come on, I'll do it right. And I put a bunch of screws, and it looked awesome, and it felt great, and then as soon as I got on the highway, it just completely destroys itself. So yeah, I have some pictures and some videos of the splitter here. Well, I don't know, let's take a look. This enormous box is a splitter for the 535i. This is probably the best box I've received, and the biggest. About as tall as me. Also, the most damaged. I don't know what's wrong with it. Here it is, finally, the splitter, and it's enormous. So, I'm recording this to show you guys this, and obviously also as proof in case anything is damaged. So, you know what I say? Nothing left to do but to do it. Let's open it up. Real quickly, I got this splitter on eBay for $67. You know, I hear a lot about you get what you pay for. I hear a lot about don't cheap out on stuff like this. I say screw it. 67 bucks, I can't pass it up. If it breaks, it breaks. I'll buy another one. And besides, it's only for looks, right? I'm not trying to go 500 miles an hour. So this is just for looks. My friend Abdullah, actually, he has a 435i and F32, and he bought one on Amazon, or sorry, on eBay for like 59 bucks. It broke, fell off on the highway. But he fixed it, so it's still there. So I'm not too worried about it, honestly, but yes, $67, and the box is huge. It's big. It's a splitter. So, I mean, let's open it and see what's inside. Let's see how it is and see if it's damaged. Hopefully it's not, but let's do it. I'm excited. So this is the side that would have been damaged, if anything. It brings stuff. I don't know what stuff this is. Looks like some tape. Good tape. This is good tape. Some screws. Yeah. Awesome. And some washers. That's good. And we got alcohol. Yummy. Yes, these are the sides to put right underneath the fog lights to hold on. This is so cool. And I ordered it gloss black. There's a lot of carbon fiber and carbon look, fake carbon fiber. I'm not a fan of those fake carbon fibers, so I just went with gloss black because everything else that is on this car is gloss black. So let's see. Woo, let's see how this looks. Brings 3M already. Look how cool that looks. Wow, that's awesome. I want to mock it up. Let's go mock it up real quick. All right, I'm too excited. Yeah, that looks unreal. So obviously we're gonna wash the car before doing this so that we can, well, not wash the car, but you know, wash the areas where it will be attached so that it attaches and adheres nicely. But oh my gosh, I forgot. Let's open the main thing. All right, let's check the damage real quickly. No damage. Yeah, that's gloss black, all right. Seems pretty solid, doesn't really flex at all. Oh, it's nice, shiny gloss black. Take a look at that. Look at that. 70 bucks? What more do you want? What could you ask for? 70 bucks and you make your car look more aggressive? I'm gonna hold it up so we can mock it up. Just focus on this side. All right, let's mock it up real quickly. Let's see what it looks like. It goes something like this, something like that, something or other like that. We'll see. I'm excited. Let's do this thing. Let's do it. All right, guys, so right now we're going to clean the surface. We're doing this right over here. We're gonna clean it down, and we have 10 screws and, well, I assume 10 washers. You can cut the washers, but yeah, 10 screws that we're going to be using to mount this. What we're gonna do, most likely, is just install these first. We're gonna clean the area like I showed you. We're gonna install these with 3M, and then we're going to line up the actual splitter along the bottom and see how it goes. So let's finish cleaning that up, put these on, and then see where we go from there. For some reason, they put 3M tape on the bottom, but that's not even necessary because the bumper doesn't extend that far out at the bottom, so there's no contact at all. So there's just random 3M just in the middle of nothing. But yeah, everything actually seems to be sticking pretty well. So what I'm talking about is here, where this is the bumper and this is the splitter. You can see that there's just a random gap that is not necessary to have, and the 3M right here is already dirty. The fitment is okay, you know, it's not terrible, it's not bad. Let's do the other side and see if I can make it just a little bit better. All right, we've just finished installing these two side parts. You can see the fit isn't perfect, but you know, we paid 70 bucks, so it's not too bad. It's not awful, actually. You won't even see it from that far away. Even if you get up close, yeah, you know, you might not see it. It's not bad. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to start putting this, the bottom part of the splitter on. And yeah, if it looks, you know, if it looks too bad, if it ends up looking not great, then yeah, I'll take it off and I guess I'll just invest in a better splitter. But you know, it's not bad. Okay, so we're going to use these self-tapping screws that it brought 10, like I said earlier. We're gonna start with the front one in the middle there, lining up the splitter first, and then we're going to start with that and then go all the way around, adjust it, and see how it looks. So, as you guys may have seen, that was not exactly a 5-minute job. It took quite a long time, actually. We started around like 6 p.m. when it was nice and sunny out like it is right now, and then we ended around 8 p.m. It took, yeah, a good healthy 2 hours. Not for any reason other than the splitter itself is not of the highest quality. As you can imagine, right? I didn't go into this thinking it would be, you know, like Maxton design or like a Fab Suit exhaust or something. I knew it was gonna require a little bit of editing, to say the least, right? So it's not bad, but it looks really cool. So here it is. I think it looks super cool, especially now with the mirrors, the mirror caps, and the grills. It's a lot more aggressive. It's a lot lower. Only thing is, for some reason, this doesn't really want to catch onto this. So there is a bit of a gap between this. Yes, it is supposed to go together like this, but to bend it, we would break it. So obviously the fitting is imperfect. I think it still looks pretty cool. Same story on this side. The fitment is what you'd expect for $70 from eBay, from China, for a splitter, for a BMW. It's not perfect, but it looks cool. It looks very cool. I am not too displeased with it. It definitely gives it a much more aggressive look, which is really what I wanted for this car, a sportier look. And who knows, maybe it works. I don't know. Maybe it provides downforce. I don't know. Obviously, I got it for the looks. If it works, it's a plus. But here, yeah, that's it. Let me turn the lights on real quick. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, stay on. There we go. Amazing. I think it looks amazing. And yes, if you know BMWs and you know this splitter, you know that this goes together. But hey, who cares? I think it looks kind of cool. Like another little extra gap here. Sure, I will try to take it off one day, and I will try to decrease the gap as much as possible. But for now, like this, I think it's really cool. I think it looks cool. So, that's it. It's on. Splitter is on. We did use a few screws on this side of the bumper. We used, I think, 2 screws here, 2 screws here, and then 2 screws here in the center. So it's pretty well on. Actually, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's very nicely attached. And my, does it look good. Okay guys, I'm pulled over right now because the splitter fell off. It just broke. I'm not in a great mood right now, but the splitter just broke. On the highway, it just completely, I felt like some insane tapping. And it literally broke, and it's shred to pieces. So I'm gonna have to remove it any way I can right now, because it's just, unless I don't know what to do. But yeah, maybe you shouldn't cheap out. So we've had to break this splitter because it wouldn't fit in the trash can otherwise, which is where it belongs. Because this was literally just $70 down the drain. I'll get a good one next time, but this is not great. We also have these, which are the things that go on each side of the bumper to hold the splitter on. Not only does this not really fit at all, it looked awful, and I wanted to keep them on, but they just didn't look good at all. So I just kind of had to take them off as well, and now there is literally nothing of the splitter left on the car. Money down the drain. But I don't know what to do with these now. If you would like to, I don't know, buy these or something, email me, or go on my Instagram and DM me. I don't know what to do with them. They're kind of just here. They're not great. If you want it, I don't know, send me a message. And I don't know what to do with it, so yeah, great investment I've made, and it was very worthwhile install, which, by the way, like I said, my previous video took around 2 hours to install, and it came off in an hour, or 10 seconds-ish. So yeah, it is what it is, but just wanted to say that, guys. Thank you very much for watching. This was just a quick, short little update video, and there will be a lot more content coming on the way. Trust me, there's a lot more coming. So yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe, turn the bell notification on so that you don't miss a single upload for this series. It's good. It's very good. But yes, guys, again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.